Hello everyone, this is Smriti and welcome back to my channel Learn with Smriti. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of all my new videos. And now you can connect with me on my Instagram page and my Telegram channel Learn with Smriti, and the link is given in the description box. So hope you all are doing good. एंड फ्रेंड्स लेट मी टेल यू, मेरे पास बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आई रिगार्डिंग द लेसन प्लान. तो मेरे पास रिक्वेस्ट आई है, मैम प्लीज़ अपलोड द वीडियो ऑन योर लेसन प्लान जो आपने अपने बीएड में बनाया होगा. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड माय इंग्लिश लेसन प्लान एंड द टॉपिक ऑफ द लेसन प्लान इज noun. So before starting the lesson plan, let me tell you some general points regarding the lesson plan. So before getting into the class, the teacher makes some objectives. Those objectives are divided into two parts, that are general objectives and specific objectives. And what are general objectives? General objectives are related to the subject. For example, noun comes under English grammar. So जब हम स्टूडेंट्स को नाउन पढ़ाएंगे तो हम पहले उसके जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स बताएंगे कि इंग्लिश ग्रामर को पढ़ाने से क्या होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंग्लिश ग्रामर विल एनरिच द वोकेबुलरी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स and many other points. Then comes our specific objective. Specific objective is related to the chapter that we are going to teach. For example, the topic is noun, so specific objectives would be related to noun. Like the students will be able to recall the meaning of noun, the students will be able to recognize the types of noun. So let's get back to the lesson plan. On the left side you will write school name, then class, then subject, then sub-subject, then pupil teacher name, and on the right side you will write date, duration and period. Then comes our topic, that is noun. Then you will write the general objectives and then specific objectives. So the general objectives are to enable students to write English, to enhance the students' knowledge to comprehend the topic, to enrich their vocabulary, to create interest of students in English language, to develop their power of logical thinking. Then comes the specific objectives. The student will be able to recall the meaning of noun. The students will be able to recognize the types of noun. Students will be able to apply these forms in their own sentences. The students will be able to speak sentences correctly. Then teaching aids that we use like chalk, chalkboard, etc. Then previous knowledge assumed. Before entering into the classroom, the teacher assumes that students have some knowledge about noun that they have studied in their previous classes. Then previous knowledge testing. The teacher will ask some questions about noun and the students will answer those questions. When the students are unable to answer the questions, the teacher will announce the topic that they are going to study noun. And then comes our teaching points. Then while making the lesson plan, students just remember that you have to show blackboard activity also. The teacher will write on the blackboard and students will copy that in their notebook. You have to show that also. So first point is definition of noun. The teacher will explain the definition of noun and students will listen carefully. And then examples of noun, and then asking some questions, and then types of noun like common noun, proper noun and collective noun, and the teacher will explain the types of noun with their examples. And then students will listen carefully and then note down the written things on their notebook. After the students have completed the writing, the teacher comes to the generalization, that students have understood noun chapter, and then recapitulation. What is recapitulation? Recapitulation is asking questions to see whether students have learned and understood the chapter clearly or not. So teacher will ask some questions like what is noun, give an example of proper noun, define the common noun. Then the teacher will end the class by giving homework to the students. So this was our macro lesson plan of noun. So hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do like, share and comment your views, and thank you for watching the video.